the role of tapetum in the formation of pollen grain wall. Now, what is tapetum? Tapetum is the innermost wall layers of a microsporangium. It nourishes and the developing pollen grain and also helps in formation of wall of pollen grains. And the cells of tapetum secrete Ubish granules that provide sporopollenin and other materials for exine formation. Now, it is innermost layer of a pollen grain and it is doing something to provide exine. Exine means outer layer. Outer layer needs hardcore covering, and sporopollenin is one of the hardest substances which allows a pollen grain to move from one plant to another without losing its viability. And thus, the role of tapetum over here is nourishing and help in formation of walls of pollen grain. Okay kids, are you getting me?